So you get this pack without the floss with this paper card. I think it usually comes separately, so you can take it out and then write the numbers you need on it and insert it back in. I usually use smudge-free marker, like a Sharpie, and then you can either obviously do them in order or put your DMC numbers or whatever other colors you're using. Then you stick your needles in these parts against the numbers and the floss, and these are made of felt and they stick there quite nicely. However, if you have pets or small children, I do recommend that you still cover this or put it away in a drawer, because it's still not that difficult to take them out. This is a version for 30, there's also a version for 50, and they exist in several different colors. And then the floss you can add into